let's solve an equation. So we want to figure out what value of x makes this true. And so any basic algebra that you can do to get this started is what you want to do. And by that I mean let's add 2 to both sides. Let's undo timesing by the square root of 3 by dividing both sides by the square root of 3. Okay, so that's what I would refer to as the basic algebra. And if you memorize cosecant values, then maybe you're almost done. But most people don't. I certainly don't memorize cosecant values because I can just take the reciprocal of the left side, reciprocal of cosecant and sine, and that's okay to do as long as I keep it balanced by doing the reciprocal of the right side. And now this looks really familiar to me. So if the direction said between 0 and 2 pi, I would worry about one rotation, and where sine is positive square root of 3 over 2 would be at this location, pi over 3, and this location, 2 pi over 3. But the directions didn't say just the solutions between 0 and 2 pi, not just stuff in one rotation. So you have to give every solution. So sure, 1 pi over 3 is the solution, but if you went all the way around, you add 2 pi to that. If you land in the same place, that's the solution. If you went around 10 times, that would be a solution. If you went around 20 times in the other direction, if it's coterminal, it's a solution. So how we're going to deal with that is we're going to say plus all the coterminal angles plus all the coterminal angles. So plus integer multiples of 2 pi, n is an integer, plus 2 pi, so plus 2 pi n or plus 2n pi, same thing. So plus multiples, and since n is an integer, that could be negative, and that would count for the other direction as well. So without it telling us between 0 and 2 pi, and it just wants all the solutions, we need to make sure we have that plus 2 pi n on there.